How much personal cash would it take for you to finally breathe? Not business money, not credit cards, just your money. I've been a financial advisor for almost 30 years, working with business owners all across the country, and I see the same pattern again and again. They're making great money, but one slow month can wreck everything for them. In this video, I'm going to show you why the first $10,000 of personal savings changes everything, how it gives you control, confidence, and peace of mind. Stick around until the end. I'll share a free tool that walks you step by step through how to build your own financial freedom fund. And if this message resonates, hit that like button so more business owners can finally stop running on cash fumes. It really helps this message reach the right people. I remember when I was bringing in strong revenue, but personally, I was broke. Everything ran through one account: payroll, marketing, my mortgage, my groceries, all mixed together. Every decision felt risky. One delayed client payment or tax bill could blow everything up. That's when I realized revenue doesn't create freedom, liquidity does. So I decided to fix it. The same way I coach clients today. Step one, I opened up a separate personal account, which I called my Freedom Fund. And step two, I started paying myself first, even if it was just $100 at a time. Step number three, every month I transferred money into that account until it hit $10,000. It wasn't fast, but it changed everything. Suddenly, a slow month didn't trigger panic. I stopped saying I can't afford that. I started asking, does this move me closer to freedom or further away? When I finally hit that $10,000, something powerful happened. I started leading my business differently. I took smarter risks, said no to bad clients, and stopped letting cash control me. It wasn't about the money itself, it was all about the margins. That 10K proved I could build wealth intentionally, not accidentally. So I'm curious, what would having $10,000 of personal cash change for you right now within your business? Drop it in the comments below. I love hearing how business owners define freedom for themselves. Here's what I learned. Their first $10,000 isn't just about saving, it's about identity. It's the moment you stop being the operator and start acting like the CEO of your life. It's a difference between surviving off revenue and leading with confidence. And if you're wondering, how do I start? Step one, pay yourself first, even small amounts. Number two, separate your personal and your business accounts. Three, automate the transfer, make it non-negotiable. That's how you build margin and also momentum. And if you want help setting up your own freedom fund, I built a free community called the Cashflow Academy. Inside, I walk you step by step through how to separate personal and business cash, pay yourself right, and build predictable profits. Just click the link below to join for free. And in the next video, I'll show you the 30-30-40 system. This is the exact structure that helps you fund this freedom fund automatically each and every month. But make sure to watch that next one. If this hit home, subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week I release new videos to help business owners like you master your cash flow, protect your profits, and build wealth outside of the business. When you have $10,000 saved personally, you stop operating from fear and you start operating from power. It's not just money. It's proof that you're leading your business, not surviving in it. Thanks for watching. For more business wealth tips, subscribe to be notified each week when a new video drops. Enjoy your week, and I'll see you next time.